Hi and welcome to the video regarding knowledge space range. In this video we're going to show how to the backward chain reduce the overhead of the inference kernel and along the way enhance the user experience. And you would like to notice that we have defined a connection for the button group toggle signal to toggle and button toggle. That is this connection. And we're going to implement the on button toggle in this video. So in on button toggle we're going to get the button ID and the state, the second parameter, is it checked or not, and the important one is the ID in this function, because this is the way that we are going to identify the button that was toggled. So because backward chain requires a qset as argument, we're going to create a temporal one and we'll use it to get the rule range. So it's we're going to create which based in the button ID and add the rules depending on the rule of the button. And there are different approaches to get the rules. You can create your own algorithms to create which rules do you want to select, but in this case we sort the rules sequentially. This sort means that the rules regarding to the engine are first, then those rules ends, and the electric issues rule starts, and when they finish the brakes rules begin, and so on. So we might create a switch and the first number is the row in the knowledge space where we are going to begin searching for rules, and the second one is the length of the search in the front. And those numbers were determined manually because the knowledge base was changed several times. Don't forget the break. We're going to do almost the same for these guys.
Mónica Patricia dice. Ok, entonces me lo busco. Bueno, pues esto puede ser un modelo de fuente de poder. Mónica Patricia Sánchez Aguilar. Las fuentes que tuvieron en su momento son de 12 voltios, 150 watts. Sí las tenemos disponibles. Cada uno está en 399.
Don't forget the break.
Ya con lo incluido.
And let's add the file just to handle unexpected IDs.
9 piezas. Ok. 1591. Sería el mismo. El mínimo para hacerles descuento sería de...
We should finish this. We should admit the toggle, the subject toggle with the selected rules as the parameters.
Sería mínimo 10 piezas.
And accompanied with the state. Now you would like to move to the CSE view, and we're going to fill the conclusion click slot. This one. This slot will add and remove or remove the conclusions whether they are selected or not. We have a get conclusion by rule utility that returns a Q set.
La calle es Paseo de los Ahuehuetes, 3168A. 68, letra A.
And this utility function is to convert all the rules indexes and identify those rules conclusions. And the last part is pretty much easy. We add if is checked, if the button is checked. And we remove if not. And now we can test if it works. I think that I'm going to test with the how's it feel? Next, we select transmission. Okay, let me check. So we check the run slot. It's this one. Oh my god. And toggle conclusions. I was confused. So now let's test it out. And sorry, it's in Spanish, but all the questions are regarding for the transmission issues, and this is excluding the other areas of the card in this way and showing that it works. For example, this is there is noises in the transmission bus I think in the control position, which can say yes. I did infer something like the engine a transmission engine is in bad state. So ambiguous. There is noises or difficulty to enter any velocity. You can say yes, and it said there is a movement, a normal movement to in the engine. Yeah, I don't know. Hola, got the friends, and that's the end of the video. So see you soon.